We're gonna head out to Quetico Park tomorrow morning. Tonight we're gonna get the pig marinated, ready to go, so that when we get to tomorrow, we can start smoking the pig on our custom-made trailer by a local gentleman. It's a really cool machine. So let me show you the pig. It's a big pig, 60 pounds. Hi everyone, my name is Kasper and this is Cooking with Kasper. It's a big pig, 60 pounds, and it's been de-thawing. And we're gonna have to marinate this bad boy. If you don't like pork, don't watch, change the channel, because we love pork. Otherwise, if you're gonna be there tomorrow, we'll have some salmon and chicken for you. So, we gotta marinate this thing. I'm gonna put it in here. Put the pig inside with special blend of juices. I'll show you what I was recommended to do. We got some ice in here, so it's a little bit chill. All right, so here we are. My studio is hot as hell, but I have no choice because I gotta get this video done for you guys, because otherwise this pig will be gone tomorrow. So we're gonna chop up some onions, green onions, apples, oregano, thyme, sage, parsley, 2 different types. We'll throw it all in, and then we're gonna pour some clamato, extra spicy tomato juice. All right, another bucket leaked, so we had to switch. Luckily I had one, otherwise we'd be screwed. So we transfer it over into this container, and we got all the spices and everything in it, but we gotta add some water because tomato juice is too expensive. All right, let's cover this pig up, and we'll fish it out tomorrow morning and take it for the rotisserie, and we'll drive it over to the party. All right, so here we are. We got the pig out of the batter, the marinating, and we're going to load her up in the truck, take her to my buddy, put her in the trailer, the portable spit trailer, and we're gonna head out to Quetico Park and meet up with our friends. So what you do is you offer pig roast and rental.
It's word of mouth is mine. It's all word of mouth.
Yeah.
I know I work at the abattoir, but that's what a lot of people go through me, because anybody that has a business going on,
Yeah.
it's because I have it.
Mm-hmm.
When they started it, right?
Yeah.
And as far as I'm concerned, you know what? I'm busy enough.
That's right.
wing nut on. Once you're all hooked up in there, you got it plugged in. Switch is here. Click it on. Away it goes.
Should I leave this on for transportation like this, or take it off?
Just it.
Where we're going? Driving? Quetico Park. We're actually in Quetico Park already. We just passed the sign. I kind of should have got the picture, but I was enjoying the ride too much. That's a real pig.
Well, look at that. That's a real pig right there.
Dobrze, jak się masz?
Nie musisz mówić po angielsku.
Nie?
Nie.
Mówisz po polsku?
No ja mówię.
Yeah? No, rozumiem.
Yeah.
So it's Reagan. Reagan is the owner.
How's it going?
Say hello to Quetico viewers, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Welcome. What a beautiful day.
Charcoal. What do you guys think?
It's perfect.
Beautiful.
On camera? Having a good time? Nobody's camera shy here? The camera shy? Oh, camera follows you. I can't help myself.
Oh, no following.
Okay.
great tip to put on YouTube. Soaking
Yeah.
onions for like 10 minutes or so lessens the flavor as strong. Okay?
Really?
Soak it in water for 10 to 15 minutes, and then that makes the onion less strong. Yeah. That's what someone told me here. Was it you telling me that?
Alfie, I think.
Oh no, it's Alfie. I get them kids confused. Lesson learned today.
So what's your name? First name, last name?
Abby Hall,
And how old are you?
9.
You're 9? I thought you just said 8.
He's 829 this year.
So you just chopped all these cucumbers?
Yep.
So you might want to be a chef now, huh?
Mhm.
Why not, right? Own a restaurant?
Well, everybody says I'm a chef.
Yeah,
So, yeah.
I agree. You're a great chef. How's that pig going?
Good.
I didn't even see it yet. I didn't even see it.
You think it'll be ready in 2 hours?
No.
No, I don't think.
You think longer?
Yeah, probably 3.
Okay. We'll have to get back to you later for some more comments.
Yeah.
You happy? Are you happy?
Because I get to cook finally.
You like cooking?
Did you like it?
Okay, record your live. Andrew message.
Andrzej, poznałem twojego szefa i szef powiedział, że masz przywieźć tu 3 butelki wódki dzisiaj. Teraz. Zapłacić ci potrójnie. You have to do it right now.
You're welcoming everybody for the next
man,
one?
This is great, Kasper.
You like it?
Fantastic job.
Yeah, I'm glad. Let's see.
But I think we have to
Uh-huh.
we have to plan a huge party here for all of my guests.
Yeah.
We have a lot of RVers on site, and I think it's just appropriate that we put a huge party together and feed them. I
Yeah.
don't know, like lunch with Kasper, or maybe
Cooking with
supper with
Kasper.
Kasper, cooking with Kasper, or something.
Yeah, cooking with Kasper at Regan's Quetico Center.
Yeah, Quetico Lodge and Conference Center. I think we should do it
Yeah, when do you want to do it? Like, just pick a date, let
soon.
me know.
Soon.
Yeah,
Well, the weather's fantastic.
sure, no problem. I know where to
Great job.
go.